Right, listen up. You want to cook like a real chef? You want to create something that makes people stop, close their eyes, and just savor the moment? Then you need to understand the filet mignon. This isn't just any slab of beef you toss on a grill. It's cut from the tenderloin, a muscle that does very little work, which is why it's so incredibly tender. It melts in your mouth like butter. The filet is pure, unadulterated luxury. This is the steak you serve when you want to impress. You are cooking a statement. All right, first things first. A brilliant steak starts with brilliant ingredients. Ask for a center-cut filet mignon, at least 2 inches thick. Thickness is key. For 2 people, you'll need 2 of these beautiful fillets, about 6 to 8 ounces each. You need a heavy-bottom skillet. Cast iron is your best friend here. You'll also need a good pair of tongs and a meat thermometer. Don't guess. Cooking is a science. Have your prep station organized. We call it mise en place. Everything in its place. Take them out of the refrigerator at least 30 minutes before you even think about cooking. A cold steak in a hot pan is a recipe for disaster. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of a good sear. Be generous. Be bold. Season every single surface of that fillet, the top, the bottom, and all around the sides. Press the seasoning into the meat gently. You want it to adhere and form a perfect crust when it hits the heat. Get your potatoes peeled and chopped into even 1-inch cubes. Place them in cold, salted water. For the green beans, just have them trimmed and ready. Everything is prepped. You are in control. It's showtime. Place your cast iron skillet over high heat. You should see little wisps of smoke coming off it. Using your tongs, place the seasoned fillets in the pan. You should hear a loud, aggressive sizzle. Don't touch it. Don't poke it. Don't move it. Let it sear for exactly 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip the steaks. Look at that crust, deep, brown, gorgeous. Turn the heat down to medium. Add that big knob of butter, smashed garlic cloves, and fresh thyme sprigs. Tilt the pan and with a large spoon begin basting the steaks. This is how you build layers of flavor. For a perfect medium rare, you're looking for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the steaks and let them rest. Tent it loosely with foil for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Patience is the final test. Your potatoes should be perfectly tender. Add butter, cream, and season well. We want creamy, dreamy potatoes. Sauté the green beans until bright green and tender crisp. A squeeze of lemon juice and salt is all they need. It's time to plate. This is your canvas. Think about how it looks. Place the mashed potatoes off-center, lean the green beans against them, and arrange the sliced fillet to show off that perfect pink center. Finally, drizzle those beautiful pan drippings over the steak. Stunning. There you have it. A 5-star meal made in your own kitchen. You treated it with respect and controlled the heat. This is cooking. It's about transforming simple things into something extraordinary. Now get in there and cook. Well done.